Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels, LED headlights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.